Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. This is Patty and I'm here to show you another exciting video. I'm going to purify the air and I'll be showing you how to do that. I have 2 lemons, an orange, an apple, and some cloves, which I won't use this whole bag of cloves, just maybe 6 cloves from this bag, and I have the cinnamon sticks here. As you can see, I'll be using 2 or 3 cinnamon sticks, and boiling my water. I am going to wash my fruit thoroughly and cut the apples in wedges and cut the other fruits in circles and put some water in the pot. And I'm going to use some distilled water and boil it and make me some of the most amazing smelling air purifier. And it is good for the scent is good, it's very good, and it is good to breathe in the citrus. So I'll come back and show you exactly what I'm doing. Okay, y'all, I'm getting ready to do the air purifier, and I have my pot of distilled water on the cooktop. Now, you don't have to use distilled water. You can just use tap water from the faucet, but I am using distilled water. Okay, right here I have wedged up some apples, and I have my cinnamon sticks here, 3 cinnamon sticks, and right here I have the cloves. I said 6, but I just got a little more than that. You can just estimate that. I have my lemons, and let me show you. I'm going to slice my lemons like so. Lord, what is wrong with this knife? Let me get a sharp knife. I'm going to have to sharpen that knife. I don't know what's it's just dull. So, okay, I'm going to use this knife and going to slice up the lemon. I have 2 lemons and I am slicing them up. Okay, as you can see, I have them right here, and I'm going to slice up the next one like so, and I'm just doing smaller slices. You can slice them up any size you want, but this is the way I'm doing them. And I have this 1 orange here that I'm going to slice up like so, and I'm going to put them in my water and let them boil, let them simmer, not really boil. I'm going to let them simmer. So this is what I have here, and let's go to the water, and I'm going to add the lemons in the water and the apple wedges as well in the water, and I'm putting my cinnamon sticks in, and I'm going to let this simmer, and I know it's going to be an amazing aroma in my kitchen. And just wanted you to see the process here, and I will come back once it starts to steam up and let you see what it's looking like and tell you what it is smelling like. So I'll pause right here. I just want you guys to see how this is coming along. The smell is amazing. I just wish you guys could be here to smell, but this is what is going on. It is simmering and it is smelling wonderful. Thank you guys for coming along on this journey with this air purifying on the stovetop. Please like, share, follow, subscribe, give the thumbs up, tap the notification bell to be reminded of all uploads. You too can do this simple air purifying in your kitchen. This is Patty. I will see you on the next exciting video. Bye now.